Welcome to Master Pega channel. In this Pega 7.4 tutorial, you will learn how to add a node to PRPC System Management Universal SMA version 7.4. So let's start. Open your Pega 7.4 System Management application. In your URL you have to type PRSysMGMT after typing your host and post. It will take you to SMA screen. SMA nodes will not be auto-configured. In our case, there is no node added so SMA so far, so blank SMA screen is displayed. To add a node, on the upper left side you will find a plus sign, click on it. This will open node configuration form with default settings. At top of this section, server details are displayed. Pega 7.4 Personal Edition is running of Apache Tomcat application server. In connection information, enter the name of a node. In real-time scenarios, the name should be like an identifier so that in a multi-node environment, nodes are easily identified. In PRPC primary in web content, we have to add URL of PR servlet. PR servlet is part of PR web WAR file deployed on the application server. Similarly, we need to enter diagnostic data URL which is again deployed as part of PR web WAR file on the application server. Now we need to inform SMA where the SMA file is deployed. It is locally or remotely. Remote connection means PR web file and SMA PSysMGMT WAR files are deployed on a different application server. So, on the selection of remote connection, we need to enter server URL where SMA is deployed. Local JVM connection means both PRPC and SMA are deployed on the same server. So this option is suitable for our demo. Next is the mode of authentication. There are three options. Credential not required. It means, when you click on Pega node, it will open directly without asking for username and password. The second option is always prompt for credentials. This will ask for username and password every time you open a node. The third option is always used following credentials. We will add username and password to access SMA node one time in this option. So when you open a node, SMA will use these credentials by default and you will be able to access SMA. Once you are done, click on Submit. Congratulations, your first node is configured successfully. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this Pega tutorial useful, like, comment, share and subscribe for notifications of upcoming Pega lessons.